how to unpair or forget a Bluetooth device on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we then scroll down and tap on Bluetooth. Next, go down in the My Devices section. Tap on the Bluetooth device that you would like to unpair or forget. So tap on the blue information button. Then tap on Forget this device. Then from the pop-up, tap on Forget device. Then tap on Forget device. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.